Bobby, I'm going to church to meet with the youth minister about the youth group.
Sounds good. What's for dinner?
There's pot roast in the crock pot. Help yourself. I'll be home in an hour or so. See you later. Sir, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for a certain girl to drive by so she could see the sign.
That's nice. How long have you been out here?
Oh, I don't know, about a few weeks or so.
Maybe it's time to give up. You could just go talk to her. Except you might want to get cleaned up first.
But it's okay. I'll be okay.
Well, whatever. Just don't starve to death.
Danae, where are you?
Megan, what's the deal? Why wouldn't you believe me? I mean, this is the real thing. I'm actually proposing you this time. I don't understand why this is so hard for you to believe.
Alex, why don't we just reflect on the events in the past hour?
What?
Oh, it's such a beautiful day out.
Do you remember this field? It's the place where we first met.
I do.
It's so beautiful out today.
I know.
You look so beautiful here.
Oh my gosh!
There's so many weeds in this field. It's annoying. I wish somebody would clean it. Megan,
Yes, Alex.
don't you just feel like it's just so perfect out today?
Yes, I do.
Everything's right. The weather's beautiful. It's sunny. It's warm. You're beautiful as always. I've never felt more comfortable just sitting right next to you. I don't even know what to say.
Oh, Alex!
No, it's a penny. Did you ever see pennies on the ground? They're lucky. Lucky penny.
Here we are at our favorite lunch restaurant, Red Lobster, having a romantic meal, and oh no, I'm just a little flustered right now.
This is the most romantic day of my life.
It is.
Crab cakes are incredible.
Yeah.
And speaking of that,
Alex,
I dropped one on the floor.
okay.
Delicious. We're going. Can I have yours? Okay, go.
I guess. It's kind of a weak argument.
Anyway, couldn't you pick a better place in the church basement? I mean, really, that thoughtlessness definitely shows to me that you are obviously not ready for any kind of commitment or marriage.
Maybe I was stupid for telling you goodbye. Maybe I was wrong for trying to pick.
I just don't think our teens can relate to Kanye East or Taylor Swift when there's more popular artists out there like Barry Manilow or Celine Dion. Oh, hi there. You must be our new corps member. And your name is?
Mamie Custer. Listen, there's a guy throwing a baby downstairs. Should we do something?
Was the little girl blonde, really cute?
Yeah.
Oh, don't worry. That's just Steve. We keep him on corps because he got assigned here by some weird group called AAA. It's like Awkward Adult Advocates or something like that. Kids seem to think he's funny for some reason, but pretty much we all think he's dumb, so you're right.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm so excited because you're a girl. And when's your birthday? And what are you doing tonight? And what's your favorite color? And oh, she's so excited. Oh, she's a girl.
Okay, Sarah, let's give Mamie some space. Come and sit down. Mamie.
Hi, Mamie. Welcome to the meeting. I just, sorry about the dancing. I just got done designing an awesome dance for an extra treat, so, you know, I'm just a little bit into it right now. So I thought we'd start by seeing if Mamie had any questions for us.
Well, what are the benefits of being on the corps team?
What my boo and Eileen keep up on pop culture. We were hired on a consulting basis to make sure that the core team were not tripping and seeming lame.
We know about TV, music, media. You will too. Pretty sick.
Word.
Hey!
Hey, what's up?
Hey, Carrie, Eileen, LOL. You guys are so cool, even cooler than I am.
Hey, that's a nice bling bling you got there.
Oh yeah, you know, I try to be pretty fly.
I pity the fool who's not fly.
No joke, everybody should roll like us.
Oh, I almost forgot. I wanted to show you my pic from prom.
Ah, that's most Facebookable.
Killer dress.
Thanks, I liked it.
Was prom jumping?
I guess so. But my date spent a lot of time with his best friend.
Bromance.
You could say that. Listen, I'd love to hang out, but I have to go wait for an important text.
Got a case of textpectation? Well, anyway, it sounds like you may be whipped. Peace.
Howdy.
Oh, you guys, TTYL.
Wow, I would love to be in tune with youth culture. What else do I get from being on?
Well, Steve fancies himself as a parenting expert, and he thinks that he can teach others about his techniques.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, Steve, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just practicing some of my new parenting techniques.
That seems kind of dangerous.
No, dude. I got it. I'm an expert. Well, actually, if you do it indoors.
1, 2, 3. Oh!